Hello everyone, it's Gigi and I hope y'all are having a blessed Sunday. So this past week I was on FaceTime with Tina Bean and I received a PayPal message that I had money in my PayPal, and I was like, what just happened? And Dee from Elegant Embellishments had sent me a birthday gift. And she felt bad because she wasn't able to enter my giveaway, and she wanted to give me a birthday gift. Dee, if you're watching, thank you so much. That was so stinking sweet of you. So I want to share with y'all what I got with the money she sent me, and I am so thankful. Like, that was just so super sweet. So first of all, I got a freebie, and it's a good freebie I ordered from scrapbook.com, and I got this right here, which is so cute. It's called, do they have a name for it? Cards for Kindness. So it says, made with kindness, handmade for you, handmade with love, handmade just for you, handmade for you in the script, and then cards for kindness. I thought this was so cute. So I got this free. And then the things that I ordered from Buttons Galore and More. Well, I ordered on there. And I got these cute Gingis. So stinking cute. So I can just cut off the backs of the buttons and then use them on my cards or on my tags and leave them, and then leave the buttons back there. So cute. And then I got this really pretty sequin mix from Picket Fence. And does it have a name? It's called Pumpkin Cookies. And if you look really close, like right there's a swirly. And in here are little, like right there. See that right there? There's pumpkins. Little pumpkins. One's right there. Such a pretty mix. So I got that. And then I got this penny black called Hello Autumn. And I thought she was so adorable. Love her. And then I picked out this brand new paper pad that came out by Photo Play called Fall Plaids. And it is so pretty. It's double-sided. So you get some solids, and then you get plaids and buffalo check. And then it repeats. And it is so pretty. So I love that. And then the last thing I got was some chipboard. And you get, I believe, 10 pieces in here. And I got that to go with my cinch. So, Dee, thank you so much. I got a lot for what you gave me. And I appreciate it so very much, hon. You're such a sweetie. And you'll be getting something in the mail soon. Okay. Bye, guys. Love you.